What do you want?
When your dog's middle name is Sassy.
What do you want?
Nothing can stop a hungry heart, not even those short legs. Seems like someone is into lucky number 7.
Hello? I'm cold too.
Yeah, thank you.
If you and I are to hang out, there's something you need to know about.
No!
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
Introducing the next big thing in yoga. It's all about ball dancing. This big boy's like, can we return him, Mum? Noisy.
Crowley, what's wrong?
Ding dong, ding dong. Doggo's got a package for you.
Only the finest of dining here. 2 boys eating dirt from the ground. 1 girl eating dirt from the green onions. And 1 old woman eating rocks.
Someone's lost in thought, and his own charming reflection too. Who needs coffee when you have puppy energy? Welcome to the 5 a.m. club.
Where your friend at?
The team up you didn't know you needed. If dogs could talk, this one would be saying, the sky is falling.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Dog logic. Stairs are basically escalators if you make it more complicated enough.
What did you do? What did you do? Bad boy. Bad boy. No. I love you.
They said true romance didn't exist. Then I saw this sweet moment. Seems like she's trying to solve a mystery. Mum, that worm can sing? The look you give Bestie when they suggest pizza for the 5th time this week.
I told my mom he was barking, and my grandpa said to just give him carrots to shut up.
Let's face it, we're all victims of those puppy eyes.
It's a fake cat, Baker. Baker.
When you thought the only thing getting wet today was your feet.
Sometimes when I know you want to go outside and you start like doing this little whiny thing, I pretend like I don't hear you because I don't want to take you outside. Yeah, sorry, buddy.
Is it?
Coach just tried to outsmart it, but no way, Jose.